everyone and welcome to Conn. So in this video also we will learn about table calculation, okay, which we have discussed in our previous video. So like this is little bit different, like this is related to relative, like relative to previous, relative to next, first or last, okay. So let's start. So for this I'll just take product category into rows and product subcategory also into rows. Then we will just take order date into column. As we have only 1 year 2015, I'll just expand this into quarter, okay. Then I'll just take sale into text, okay. So this is the Q1 sale and this is the Q2 sale, okay. So I'll just try to convert it into difference, okay. So see, in the book cases the Q1 sale was 68,290 and in Q2 it was 39,506, right. So it's the difference between almost 28,000 something, right. And you can see in the chairs and chairmates also the Q1 sale was 1,06,344 and in Q2 it was 1,54,729. So it almost like 48,000 difference, right. So the difference would be calculated from previous one to this one, like Q2 minus Q1, okay. So for this, go to this sum of sale, click on this drop down option, then click on quick table calculation and click on this difference option, okay. See, you can see we have discussed, right, the book cases 128,000 something. See, Q2 minus Q1, that's why it is minus 28,783. And we have discussed this one also, chairs and chairmates. This is 48,384, right. So if you want to see the calculation also, correct calculation, then you can do one thing, you can just drag and drop this sale into here, okay, so that you can able to see the Q1 sale was 68,290 and the Q2 sale was 39,506. The difference is minus 28,783. We can just take another example, which is this one, envelopes, okay. The Q1 sale was 2,351 and the Q2 sale was 8,129 and the difference was 5,778, okay. We can take one more example also, which is rubber bands, okay. The Q1 sale is 368 and the Q2 sale is 1,421 and the difference is 1,053, right. But here if your manager will ask to calculate with the first one, okay, which means Q1 minus Q2. So in this situation what we will do? Like in this situation we will get like 28,783, right. It is minus 48,384, like this. So in this situation we will do one thing, just click on this first sum of cells, okay. Then click this drop down option, then click this relative to and we have select previous, that's where it was Q2 minus Q1. For this we will just click on next, okay. See, it is minus to plus 28,783 and it is also minus 48,384. Let's take another example, which is levels. See, the Q1 sale was 3,283 and the Q2 sale was 1,632. See, the difference is also in positive number, which is 1,651. Previously it was in negative, right. So we can take this one also, rubber bands also, we can take this example also. Q2 sale was 368 and Q2 was 1,421 and the difference was minus 1,053, which was previously a positive number, right, 1,053. So in this way you can calculate all these things. See, click this drop down option, click on quick table calculation. You can calculate running total, percent difference, percent of total, all these things you can calculate, okay. So I hope you have understood relative to option, which is previous, next, first or last. That's all for this video. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.